Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Tara Tutorials. I'm your host Chandan and I'm back again with a new video of Tara Tutorials. Friends, in this video I'm going to discuss about a new feature which has been introduced by WhatsApp, that is a disappearing messages. Though it is an optional feature where you can make your message more secure and more private by implementing this feature. So I will explain you process how to set the disappearing message timer on and off. But before that, you must know what are the pros and cons of setting the disappearing messages in your WhatsApp application. So when you set this feature, you can set messages to disappear in 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days. So once you receive or send a message, it will be automatically disappeared after the set timing, right? So you need to remember that the messages which has been received before setting this feature, that won't be disappearing from your chat box, right? Now I will explain you that what are the advantages of setting this feature on. So if a user doesn't open WhatsApp in 24 hours, 7 days or 90 days period, depending upon the selection which you have made, the message will disappear from the chat, right? And but the preview of the message might still be displayed in the notification until the WhatsApp is opened. So you will lose the message, but if you see the WhatsApp notification in your notification drawer, there you can see some content of the messages. Second thing is that when you reply a message, the initial message is quoted. If you reply to a disappearing message, the quoted text might remain in the chat after the duration you select. The third thing which you need to remember, that if a disappearing message is forwarded to a chat with the disappearing messages off, the message won't disappear in the forwarded chat. And the last but the important thing which you need to remember, that if a user create a backup before message disappears, the disappearing message will also get backed up, and while restoring, it will be automatically deleted. But you should note that this feature must be turned on with the trusted individuals like your family and friends, because it is possible that if someone has access to your WhatsApp application, then they can take the screenshot of the disappearing message before it get disappeared automatically. They can also copy or save the content from the disappearing messages. Else, they can also take a photograph from any camera. So you should set the security feature on before setting this disappearing message feature in your chat application. Now coming to the implementation part, how you can set the disappearing message in your WhatsApp account. So for that, if you are using the Android phone, then what you have to do is you have to open the WhatsApp. So I have opened the WhatsApp application. Then at the right corner you can see 3 vertical dots. So click on this and you have to go down and see the last option, that is a setting. Now under the setting menu, the first option is account. Click over it. Now under the account menu, the first option is privacy. Click over it, and then you need to scroll down and you can see a tab disappearing messages. So the default message timer is right now off. I have to put it on. So once you click on it, you will see that the start new chat with the disappearing messages. Now there are 4 radio buttons you can see. So the first is 24 hours. That means once you send or receive a messages, it will automatically get deleted or disappeared after 24 hours. 7 days means it will get disappeared after 7 days, and in third option it will get disappeared after 90 days, and fourth option is off if you don't want this feature in your application. So I have set it for the 24 hours, and then you go back, so you can see that the 24 hours has been set for the disappearing messages. So friends, so you have seen that what is the disappearing message in WhatsApp, what are the advantages of setting the disappearing messages on, what are the frequency of setting the disappearing messages, and at last you have seen how to implement this feature in your WhatsApp application. So I hope you will find this video useful. So if you like this video, then please like and subscribe our channel, and please share the video with your near and dear ones. Thanks for watching Tara tutorial. See you in the next video.